Let's use our body parts as triggers for us to learn new English words or for us to remember English words that we have learned. This body part, ear, ear. So how many English words can you think of that ends with E-A-R and sounds like our ear? For me, I've got 10 words, right? That is aside from ear. And these are tear, here, fear, near, rear. Okay, one more time. Tear, here, fear, near, rear. The second set, we've got dear, gear, clear, appear, disappear. And we can use them in sentences for us to know the meanings of these words. Okay. So the first sentence, okay, you have to choose the answers from the choices below, okay? I'll read to you the question. Please speak up. I can't you. What word are we looking for? Yes, we're looking for hear. I can't hear you. Next. Okay. This sentence, complete this sentence. The house is the sea. Okay. What word are we looking for? We're looking for near. The house is near the sea. Next one. This one. Again, complete the sentence with the correct word. My kids, their mother more than me. My kids, their mother more than me. And we're looking for the word fear, right? My kids fear their mother more than me. Moving on to the next one, we've got this one. The of the car is dented. The of the car is dented. What word do you think belongs to the blank? And the word is rear. Rear means the back or behind of something. The back of something. So the rear of the car is dented, right? So dented. All right. Next one. Okay. The boy had lost his toy and was in what? Look at him. Crying. So, of course, the word we want is tears. Tear. And we have the S there. Tears. The boy had lost his toy and was in tears. Next one. Okay. So focus your attention first on the rabbit. Now you see the rabbit. Now you don't. All right. So let's complete the sentence. The rabbit, and right. So what words are we looking for? As you can see from the lines, these are actually clues. The first line is long, but not very long. Okay, so we have to put appear, right? With an S, appears. The rabbit appears and disappears. The rabbit appears and disappears. Next. About this one. Okay. It says, Santa, I want some toys, please. Okay, very easy, I think. This question, I think, is very easy for all of us, right? So the answer is, Dear Santa. Next. How about this one? Okay. Focus on the skies. Today we've got skies. And the missing word is clear. Clear skies. The last but not the least. Okay, here. Focus on the arrow, right? The arrow is pointing at these things. All right. So the sentence goes, clean the Okay. So what is the word we're looking for? We're looking for the word gear, right? So the sentence goes, clean the gears. Please don't forget to subscribe for more short but useful lessons.